Hey there, farmers! Welcome to a new era of agriculture. Have you ever wondered what the future holds for agriculture? It's more exciting than you might think. Well, let me introduce you to smart farming. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary approach to farming. It's transforming the way we grow food and manage our farms. First up, precision farming. This method uses advanced technology to ensure every inch of your farm is optimized. With the help of AI and IoT, we can now monitor soil conditions, crop health, and weather patterns in real time. This real-time data is a game changer. This means we can make informed decisions about when to plant, irrigate, and harvest, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. Imagine the efficiency and productivity gains. Imagine having a farm that practically talks to you, giving you all the data you need to thrive. Next, let's talk about smart irrigation. Gone are the days of overwatering or missing critical watering times. Smart irrigation systems are here to save the day. Smart irrigation systems use sensors and automation to deliver the right amount of water exactly when and where it's needed. This precision is key to conserving water. This not only conserves water but also ensures your crops get the optimal hydration for growth. Healthy crops mean better yields. And let's not forget about drones. These aren't just toys, they're powerful farming tools. These high-flying helpers are revolutionizing farming by providing aerial views of your fields. They offer a perspective you can't get from the ground. They can identify problem areas, apply fertilizers or pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, and even monitor livestock. Talk about efficiency. Drones are truly multifunctional. Data-driven decision-making is another game changer. The more data you have, the better your decisions will be. By collecting and analyzing data from various sources, farmers can now make smarter choices that boost productivity and sustainability. It's like having a crystal ball for your farm. Whether it's predicting crop diseases or optimizing supply chains, data is the key to unlocking a more efficient farm. The possibilities are endless. The benefits of smart farming are clear: increased efficiency, sustainability, and food security. These are crucial for the future of our planet. By embracing these technologies, we're not just improving our farms, we're securing the future of agriculture. It's a win-win situation. So, are you ready to take your farming to the next level? The future is now, and it's incredibly exciting. Dive into the world of smart farming and watch your farm flourish like never before. The potential is limitless. Thanks for tuning in, and happy farming. Let's make the future of agriculture bright together. Let's dive deeper into advanced smart farming techniques. One such technique is vertical farming, which allows us to grow crops in stacked layers, making efficient use of space and resources. Imagine a multi-story building, but instead of offices, it's filled with rows upon rows of leafy greens and vibrant vegetables. This method not only maximizes space but also allows for year-round cultivation, irrespective of weather conditions. Another innovative method is aquaponics, a system that combines aquaculture and hydroponics to create a sustainable ecosystem for growing plants and fish together. In this closed-loop system, fish waste provides essential nutrients for plant growth, while the plants naturally filter and purify the water for the fish. It's a harmonious cycle that mimics nature, producing both fresh vegetables and fish in a sustainable manner. These techniques are paving the way for urban farming, bringing fresh produce closer to city dwellers, and reducing the carbon footprint of food transportation. Imagine rooftop gardens and indoor farms in the heart of bustling cities, providing local, fresh, and organic food right where it's needed most. Urban farming not only supplies fresh produce but also contributes to the greening of urban spaces, improving air quality, and enhancing community well-being. By adopting these advanced methods, we can further enhance the efficiency and sustainability of our farms. The integration of vertical farming and aquaponics into traditional farming practices represents a quantum leap towards a more resilient and innovative agricultural future. Stay tuned for more insights on the future of agriculture. The future is bright and the potential is limitless. Let's embrace these cutting-edge techniques and transform the way we grow our food. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy farming. Robotics is playing a crucial role in the evolution of smart farming. Autonomous robots are now capable of performing various tasks, such as planting, weeding, and harvesting with precision and efficiency. Imagine a fleet of robots working tirelessly in the fields, planting seeds with pinpoint accuracy, meticulously weeding out unwanted plants, and harvesting crops at the perfect time. These robots can work around the clock, increasing productivity and reducing the need for manual labor. But it doesn't stop there. Robotic systems equipped with artificial intelligence can analyze data and make real-time decisions to optimize farm operations. For instance, they can monitor soil health, detect pest infestations early, and even predict weather patterns to ensure optimal growing conditions. This data-driven approach allows farmers to make informed decisions, ultimately leading to higher yields and better quality produce. The integration of robotics in agriculture is not only boosting productivity, but also making farming more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Robots can apply fertilizers and pesticides with great precision, minimizing waste and reducing the impact on the environment. Additionally, by taking over labor-intensive tasks, robots free up human workers to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of farming. Let's explore how these robotic innovations are shaping the future of farming. From autonomous tractors to drone-based crop monitoring, the possibilities are endless. The fusion of robotics and agriculture is setting the stage for a new era of farming, one that is efficient, sustainable, and resilient. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the exciting advancements in smart farming. The future of agriculture is here, and it's driven by cutting-edge technology. Until next time, happy farming. Smart farming is having a significant impact on global food security. By utilizing advanced technologies, farmers can increase crop yields and reduce losses due to pests, diseases, and adverse weather conditions. Precision farming techniques ensure that resources are used efficiently, minimizing waste and maximizing output. This is particularly important in regions facing food shortages and climate challenges. Imagine a world where every resource is optimized and every field yields its maximum potential. Smart farming practices play a pivotal role in making this vision a reality. With the help of real-time data analytics, farmers can make informed decisions that lead to higher productivity and better quality produce. In regions that are most vulnerable to food insecurity, these advancements are not just beneficial, they are essential. By adopting smart farming practices, we can ensure a stable and sustainable food supply for the growing global population. Join us as we discuss the critical role of smart farming in achieving food security and combating hunger worldwide. The future of agriculture is not just about technology, it's about nourishing communities and ensuring that no one goes hungry. Together, we can create a resilient and sustainable food system for generations to come. Stay tuned for more insights into how smart farming is transforming agriculture and making a positive impact on global food security. Until next time, let's cultivate a brighter future. As we look to the future, several trends are emerging in the field of smart farming. One such trend is the use of blockchain technology to enhance transparency and traceability in the food supply chain. This ensures that consumers can trust the origin and quality of their food. Another trend is the development of smart greenhouses, which use advanced sensors and automation to create optimal growing conditions for crops year-round. Additionally, the integration of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power is making farms more sustainable and reducing their carbon footprint. These trends are shaping the future of agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. Stay with us as we explore these exciting developments in smart farming.